Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. So today I want to share with you um, free domain hosting in USA. So let's check out free domain hosting name in USA. So number one is Prenom, to 100% free Dhaka ML GACFGQ domain name. So Freenom is my first choice for a free domain name. It is one of the first and only free websites where you can find free .taka mlgazq or cf domain name for free of cost for the first 12 months, which is really great and cool. So a domain name that can be purchased without paying any fees is working just like another domain name. It can be used for or your website, a email account, and much more. So you can create an identity online with a totally free host website domain name. So number two, dot tk free domain name. So .tk is my second choice for a 100% free. So taka domain name. This is the most popular website for free domain name registration in Bangladesh. Most small websites creators register to taka to run their websites to earn some extra money online. Dot you can find it only taka domain name here. So BIJF free domain name register. BIJ is my third choice for to get domain name at no cost. With it, you can register a free domain name with NetBees is. So number four, co.nr 100% free domain name. You will enjoy register or a 100% free domain name with .conr extension, and also it can be redirected to the website. You can get a short and easy domain name without any ads.